Learn how to create this effect in Premiere Pro. Otherwise, AI is gonna take your job. And if you don't want to do it, don't want to learn this effect, you can create this effect in CapCut. So now let's jump right into this video. What you're gonna need to do is basically just head over here to effects, and then here you're gonna find this effect, drag and drop this onto your video. You can go here to effects, and from here you can see that you actually can crop your text. Okay, you can crop from top right. Now we can just go to start of the video. You can add a keyframe. Make sure you decrease the right. Okay, you can see to increase to 100%, add a keyframe, and then go at the end of the video and decrease this to 0, the decrease crop right. All right, and now this is what we have. This looks pretty professional. You can also highlight now, right click, is in, is out. This looks fantastic. If you want to make this animation match faster, make sure you drag this keyframe closer to the first one. And now this is super fast, you can see. And if you want to make this more realistic, you can drag and drop a typewriter effect to your video,